So this is what you are going to be expecting for the day on our GBPJPY. So make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel because there we are going to be putting back-to-back updates for you guys. The link to the Telegram will be in the comment section. So subscribe also and like, and also click on the bell notification. Now, let's start with our trend on our GBP/JPY. So first thing first, we need to understand what the market is doing. And as you can see on our GBP/JPY, you can clearly see that we are in an uptrend move. Market is trending to the upside, right? As you can see, a series of higher high and higher low. Now, if you take a look at this current trend right here, market is ranging within this level, whereby when markets push up, it came back and it gave us multiple rejection at this zone. Market has been rejecting from this zone. This is one of the reasons why we've highlighted it as a key level. You extend it, right? The market eventually was able to find its way after multiple rejection from the bottom. It was able to find its way to this top. Then market then dropped to tap the support level, right? Market was now able to push up again to tap this resistance level. And then we had this drop that came to tap our support level. Now, from the support level, we will be expecting market to push out till it is able to come to tap this resistance level. So that is to tell you that for the day, we will be expecting a bullish move on GBP/JPY. So now on this our 4-hour time frame, you should expect GBP/JPY to push up one more time. So whatever you would want to be doing on your GBP/JPY, looking for your buy setup. So more updates will be covered on this for you guys. So subscribe, like, share, and make your comments.